She just been zoned out over there for like 20 minutes. Girl, get over here and eat your food. Ampy, you eat it. Come eat it. You eat the food. You gotta tell the peeps anything? Tell them you just ate a chicken sandwich with some cheesy fries. Girl, why don't you go lay down there? I don't know why she always trying to lay on the floor. She'll put the blanket, the sheets or blankets on the floor right there, hang it off the edge of the bed, and just be laying there all day. You crazy. What are you doing over there, Ampies? This little crazy messy ass baby. She made a mess with her milk everywhere on the chair and on the floor over there. And she's standing on the chair. She wanted to get to the bed, but she looked like she was about to slip and fall, right? So she jumped and did a full front flip and right on the bed. Hung up. Clean up your messy. I already threw you the towel. Messy ass baby. You want a whooping? I saw you about to spit out your milk again. You want a whooping?
Mommy.
She was just being a cranky ass baby. And 2 seconds later, I turn around and she's
out like a light, ay, like a light, ay, like a light, ay, slept through the flight. Ay.
You need more milkies? This girl's supposed to be helping me with my depression, helping us get out. She passed out at 1 o'clock. It is like 5:30 almost. What the hell, Abby? What the hell, Abby? Baby. Oh! I forgot what I was about to say. You got the stinky winky diapers. We gotta change that right now. Gotta change your bum bums, cause you stinky winky. And you wanna come try to roll over on me, girl. Yeah, you nasty as hell. Let's change that. Test this out real quick. I got some corn nuggies. Corn nuggies? What the hell? We got some beaver nuggies from Buc-ee's. We're gonna see if it's cerealable, because they're kind of like Pops the cereal, right? So I'ma see if you can eat it as a cereal. Let's go. I think it does cereal. Empty, it is cerealable. You wanna try a bite? Try a bite? Is it good? She don't know how she feels about this right now. You wanna go outside?
Okay.
For a walk? Okay, let's go. A mess? You made the messies? Look, you got a towel down there. Clean it up. Clean up your messy you just made. Baby girl falling asleep again. Look at her. It's only like 8 o'clock, girl. I thought you were going to be up all night because you were asleep like 4 or 5 hours earlier. And your back's being sleepy, baby girl. What the hell? It is really hot out there. We walked to Wendy's. Came back in here to eat because it was too fucking hot out there. But if she wakes up when the sun's going down more and it's a little bit cooler out there, we might go out there. But for right now, she passed the fuck out. So I might go do some reaction videos while she's asleep. Try to keep my mind going. Cause this depression shit sucks. And don't know why I'm depressed. It's because I